Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you have recently renewed your passport or received a new passport, it is important to update it in your UKVI account so that your eVisa remains linked to your current passport. In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process to update your passport in your UKVI account. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this video is created for informational purposes only, based on the current UKVI process at the time of recording. I'm not an immigration expert. The UKVI website and process may change in the future, so if you notice any differences, please check the latest guidance on the official UK government website. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Update UKVI account with new passport. You will see several search results. Make sure you select the official gov.uk website, as this is the only official place to update your UKVI account details. Once you open the gov.uk page, you will be taken to the page where you can update the identity document linked to your UKVI account. From here, we will start the process of updating your passport. On this page, you will see information about updating the details in your UKVI account and why it's important to keep them up to date. It also lists the details you can update and what you will need before you begin. I recommend taking a moment to go through it before you continue. Once you're ready, scroll down and click the Update Your UKVI Account button to continue. To start making changes, you will first need to sign into your UKVI account. On the first page, select the identity document you use to sign in. In my case, I'm selecting passport. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. On the next page, enter your passport number and click Continue. You will then be asked to enter your date of birth. Go ahead and enter it, then click Continue once again. Next, choose how you would like to receive your security code, either by text message or email. Select whichever is convenient for you, and click Continue. When you receive the security code, enter it on the next page and click Continue. That's it. If everything is correct, you will be taken to your personal details page. This is where we will begin updating the passport linked to your UKVI account. If you would like a complete walkthrough of the UKVI account and all its sections, you can watch my previous video. I have linked it in the description below, and you will also see it in the top right corner of your screen. Okay, we are now on the Personal Details page. Under the Identity Document section, you will see all the identity documents that are currently linked to your UKVI account. This is where you can view your existing documents or add a new one. To update your passport, go ahead and click Add a new document. On this page, you'll be asked whether your new identity document has the same name, nationality, and date of birth as the details in your UKVI account. In my case, I've renewed my passport, so none of these details have changed. That's the scenario I'll be showing you in this video. If your details are also the same, select Yes and click Continue. If your name, nationality, or date of birth has changed, simply select No and follow the instructions on the screen. This page gives you a quick overview of the steps involved in adding your new identity document. You will first upload a photo or scan of your new passport, then the system will check whether it meets the required quality. If everything looks good, UKVI will read the details from your passport. If it can't read them automatically, you'll be asked to enter them manually. Finally, you will submit your request, and once it's processed, you will receive an email confirming that your new passport has been added to your UKVI account. I recommend taking a moment to read through this information. Once you are ready, click Continue. On this page, you will be asked to select the type of identity document you're adding to your UKVI account. Since we are updating a passport, select Passport and then click Continue. If you are adding a different type of identity document, simply choose the appropriate option and continue with the process. On this page, you will need to take a photo of your passport. Before you do that, take a moment to go through the photo requirements. your photo should clearly show the entire personal details page, including all four corners, your personal details, your photograph, and the machine-readable zone or MRZ which is at the bottom of the page. Also, make sure the photo is clear, in focus, and free from glare or reflections. This will help avoid any issues during the verification process. Once your photo is ready and meets all the requirements, click Continue to upload it. On this page, you will need to upload the photo of your passport. Before you upload it, make sure it meets the additional requirements shown on the screen. The photo should be original, in color, unaltered, taken in landscape orientation, and saved as a JPG or JPEG file. Once your photo is ready, click Choose File, select the passport photo from your device, and then click Continue. After uploading your photo, the system will check whether it meets the required standards. In my case, I received the message your photo meets the requirements, which means everything looks good and I can continue with the process. If you receive the same message, simply click Continue. If your photo doesn't meet the requirements, don't worry. Follow the feedback provided on the screen, upload a new photo, and try again. This is the final page before you submit your request. Here, you'll need to carefully review all the details extracted from your new passport. Pay special attention to your document number and date of birth, as these will become your new sign-in details for your UKVI account. Also, make sure the rest of the information and the passport photo are correct. Once you have confirmed that everything is accurate, click Continue to submit your request. That's it. Your request has now been successfully submitted. You'll receive an email confirming that UKVI has received your request. Once your new passport has been reviewed and added to your UKVI account, you'll receive another email letting you know the update is complete. If there's any issue with your request, UKVI will notify you by email. After the update is completed, remember to use your new passport details the next time you sign into your UKVI account. With that, you've successfully submitted your passport update request. To verify that everything had been updated correctly, I signed back into my UKVI account. Under the Identity Documents section on the Personal Details page, I could see my new passport had been added successfully. I also checked the Sign-in Details page, where my passport number had been updated with the details from my new passport. That's how I confirmed that my passport had been successfully linked to my UKVI account. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that it made the process a little easier to understand. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.